If you're hitting the open road this summer, you'll need a cargo carrier to transport your belongings. A cargo carrier can be a lifesaver when packing everything you need for your trip into your car. But with so many cargo carriers on the market, how do you know which is right for you? In this video, we will discuss the different types of cargo carriers available and recommend the best option for your next road trip. What is a cargo carrier? A cargo carrier is a box, rack, or basket that attaches to the roof of your car or SUV. It can store and transport oversized items such as camping gear, sports equipment, extra luggage, and more. Cargo carriers are available in different sizes and shapes to fit most vehicles. Weight capacity, weather resistance, and cargo size are all factors to consider when selecting the best cargo carrier for your vehicle. It helps to make sure that your things are properly secured and don't take up valuable cargo space inside your vehicle. It also allows you to maximize your car's or SUV's cargo capacity without buying a bigger vehicle. Storage capacity, cargo weight, and installation are all important considerations when selecting the best cargo carrier for your car. If you want to learn more about the other means of transportation and logistics, check out our previous video. What are the different types of cargo carriers? There are several different types of cargo carriers available on the market today. Here are a few of the most common types of cargo carriers. Soft cargo carrier. This cargo carrier is made from fabric and typically stores items that only require a little protection. They are usually lightweight, easily stored in the trunk or backseat of your car, and come in different sizes to fit your needs. Hitch cargo carrier. This cargo carrier attaches to the back of your vehicle and can store larger items such as furniture or appliances. These cargo carriers come in different sizes, so you can find one that fits your needs. Hitch-mounted cargo carrier. This cargo carrier is also attached to the hitch of your vehicle. However, this cargo carrier has a larger capacity and can carry heavier cargo, such as motorcycles or ATVs. Rooftop cargo carrier. This cargo carrier attaches to the roof of your car. It is perfect for storing items that you will only be used occasionally. Cargo bag carriers. These are the most popular cargo carrier option. They attach to the roof of your vehicle and can be secured with straps or cords. Cargo bag carriers are typically made from durable materials such as vinyl, canvas, or nylon. Roof rack cargo carriers. This type can help you move cargo quickly and securely, while trailer cargo carriers are great for larger loads. 2-inch hitch receivers. If you have a 2-inch hitch receiver on your car, cargo carriers are the perfect way to transport large items. A cargo carrier attaches to the hitch receiver and provides additional cargo space outside the vehicle. It is especially useful when transporting bulky items such as camping gear, sports equipment, extra luggage, and more. There are also other carriers with extra carrying capacity, such as cargo carriers with built-in ramps and cargo boxes. Whatever cargo needs you have, there's a carrier to suit your needs. To secure storage items, cargo carriers come with straps and cargo nets to secure items. So if you need to transport cargo from one place to another, cargo carriers are the perfect solution. Keep track of your cargo every step of the way with modern GPS tracking systems and sensors. Not sure which system to select? We have you covered. Check out this helpful tool for making informed decisions about getting equipped with a powerful, accurate tracking solution. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive is the perfect solution for ensuring your delivery goes off without a hitch. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on their device. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. If you would like to learn more about freight transportation, check out our previous video. How do you choose the right cargo carrier for your needs? It's a challenging task, especially given the abundance of cargo carrier options available. But don't worry, we have some tips that should help simplify your cargo carrier selection process. First and foremost, consider the size of cargo you need to transport. Think about the weight capacity of cargo carriers and whether they can handle what you need to transport. For bulky cargo, look for cargo carriers with ample storage space. Next, consider your budget and decide how much you will spend on a cargo carrier. While expensive cargo carriers may offer more features and comfort, plenty of reliable options are available at a fraction of the cost. Finally, determine which type of cargo carrier is most suitable for you. Do you prefer cargo carriers with a cargo rack on top or one that attaches to the back of your vehicle? It's important to be aware of the different cargo carrier options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Some cargo carriers even come with bike racks, storage boxes, and cargo bags for extra carrying capacity. Armed with these tips in mind, you should have a better understanding of cargo carriers and how to choose the right one for your needs. What are the benefits of using a cargo carrier? There are plenty of perks to using cargo carriers, and it's no surprise that they've become the favorite choice for hauling cargo. Whether moving a load of lumber or delivering an important package, cargo carriers offer plenty of benefit. Let's take a look at some of the advantages cargo carriers can offer. Safety and security. Cargo carriers are designed to keep your cargo safe, secure, and in place. With their sturdy construction and heavy-duty locks, cargo carriers provide peace of mind that your cargo will arrive safely. Versatility. When it comes to cargo carriers, you can transport just about anything. With cargo carriers, you don't need to worry about items being too large or too small. Cargo carriers are designed to accommodate various sizes and shapes. Cost-effective. Cargo carriers cost less than renting larger vehicles for hauling cargo. Investing in cargo carriers can save a good deal of money in the long run. Convenience. Cargo carriers easily transport cargo without squeezing it into tight spaces. They offer greater flexibility and maneuverability than other cargo hauling options. With so many benefits, cargo carriers are the perfect solution for transporting cargo quickly and safely. Get your cargo carrier today and start hauling cargo with ease. If you want to know about the best paying jobs in the transportation field, check out our previous video. The downside of using a cargo carrier. While cargo carriers are convenient and reliable, they do come with some drawbacks to consider. Here's why cargo carriers might not be the best solution for everyone. It can be time-consuming to set up. Cargo carriers often require a lot of assembly and installation, which can take quite some time. Cargo carriers are only usable if you have an appropriate cargo carrier receiver attached to your car's hitch. You may need to have one installed separately. Cargo carriers can be bulky and heavy, so you will need a place to store them when they are not in use. If you need the storage space available, this might not be your best option. Cargo carriers can be expensive depending on their size and features. Consider looking into other transportation options depending on your budget. Cargo carriers are less versatile than other cargo carrying solutions like cargo containers or vans. If you need a more flexible solution, there may be better options than cargo carriers. Safety precautions when using cargo carriers. Safety first. Cargo carriers can be great for transporting items, but make sure you put your cargo carrier safety know-how to work before setting out. Here are some tips to help ensure a safe cargo carrying experience. Double-check cargo weight limits when loading cargo onto the cargo carrier. Overloading cargo carriers can cause damage to the vehicle, as well as create an unsafe driving environment. Make sure cargo is securely fastened with ropes, straps, or cargo nets. Don't rely solely on cargo racks to hold cargo in place. You may end up with a messy cargo mess down the road. Inspect cargo carriers before use for any signs of wear and tear or damage that needs to be fixed or replaced. Stay aware and always know the cargo carrier's route and expected destinations to avoid detours. Avoid driving in extreme weather conditions, as cargo carriers may not perform as well in these environments. When parking, make sure cargo is unloaded in a safe, secure area with the cargo carrier parked on level ground. Finally, lock cargo carriers when not in use so your cargo is safe and secure against theft or damage. Final thoughts. The cargo carrier industry is a vital part of our globalized economy, transporting goods from one place to another. With cargo carriers, sustaining the current level of international trade and overall economic growth is possible. Cargo carriers provide an invaluable service that allows companies to move goods worldwide quickly and efficiently, reducing costs and improving customer experiences. They also help us to transport items from one place to another, which is especially important for those living in remote areas. So, cargo carriers are a worthy investment for any business looking to increase its global presence and level of customer service. With cargo carriers, you can rest easy knowing that your cargo will be safe and sound, no matter where it needs to go. Thanks for checking out this video on cargo carriers. We hope it has helped you understand why cargo carriers are such a vital part of our global economy and how they can help your business succeed. Safe travels. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.